Majah Hype come out and say he was molested when he was a child. Was by a woman, family member.
Dancehall commentator One Kevin has now responded to comedian Majah Hype over the controversy surrounding Buju Banton's son. During his live stream, One Kevin argued Majah Hype's viral song about the situation may have actually made the issue bigger instead of helping calm things down. Majah Hype situation privately if he truly respects Buju. Kevin also pointed out that when public figures roast people online, they should expect criticism when the spotlight turns back on them. Now the debate is heating up across the dancehall community. Majah Hype. Is too far, or is this just part of internet culture? Tell me what you think. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we drop a new video. Like, subscribe on Sonic Snap.
Majah Hype come out and say he was molested when he was a child. Now, remember who just said that, Majah Hype. Then he said that it was by a woman, family member, that molested him when he was a child.
No time at all, me never said nothing about being molested by a man.
Child. That was bad. That family member, they got jail for molest you when you was a child. But then, he did another video that he said a male molested him as a child.
I told her I was molested as a child from a male family member.
In our family. Brother, how everybody in your family does love molest you, sir? But anyway, my thing is, you bring this to the public. You are a person who roasts a lot of people. What did you expect when you bring this to the public? Somebody giving you a shoulder to lean on? When even the recently Buju Banton son, and you go sing song, and now we are talking about the amount of thousands of views you get because of that one I look for.
And that video has gotten 1 million views so far.
Yet, because of that one I look for. So if you're a Buju a friend, we never call Buju and say, Buju, why go on, my general? How we are going to resolve this with your son?
That Buju I'm a DJ. And everybody knows me and Buju good. See me and Buju over the award show and everything, so I know.
You want me to talk about it, Phil, for kind of level it down. Brother, you hype it up more than anybody else.
Dear son, what kind of statement that? I talk about the enemy nearly turn your in a sprint.
Your song, when you sing Majah Hype, make an impact on Buju Banton's son worse than anybody's speech. See everybody how we play the song. You know, say you make it worse for the youth. Now you want to come play victim again, go suck your mother. No victim out here. You see that way you do to Buju son? And you cause it even worse. Because you have a big platform, number one. People watch you. People listen to you. So stop it. Just like how me have a big platform, you have a big platform too. So people listen to it. Listen to Majah Hype.
Number one, I'm going to say this. No time at all, me never said nothing about being molested by a man. That's a number one. Right? But let's go with the narrative. Let's go with the narrative that I was molested by a man. Let's go with that narrative. Molested as a child from a male family member.
This dude was crying. And he said she took that and used it against me.
And she took that and she used it as ammunition.
And used it against me. And all tell me about my mother allow people to molest me while I was a child. So who molest your stepfather or your father?
I'm a male family member. She told me that my mother allowed somebody to molest me for 4 years.
Or your uncle. Because your dead say a man molest you. So don't come go on like you try retract your statement. You who roast people out here can't put out video like that and nobody no roast you. Fear is fear. Yes, when you do the fucking on the internet. Yes, when people catch something for you, they might go run with it. And that go for me. Footer hype. And anybody where they out here, where you roast people. Yeah. When people catch something pound, that's why when time I come out and I talk about footer hype. And footer hype. I informer and tell per racket that racket woman. When bring news to the woman and tell the woman say the man a fuck. Daima. You don't remember when I talk about footer hype telling him brethren woman say him a fuck Daima. I make the man break up with him woman and then I try hold on woman for rape her. You don't remember when I tell you that? I saw them boy a stay. So when them time when for them snake yeah, bumbo clot, shit come out of the closet, we are gonna talk about it. We are gonna talk about it.